How to create account on Shopify. The first, click apply now, and you will be directly to tap and sign up. You can change the language. Okay, sign up, and the contract terms for Shopify, you will read the term like this: payout details, rank, condition, and how much you pay out per item, and you must carefully read the term of the Shopify contract. After that, you accept all the contract. Okay, accept, and please choose you sign up with email or other. You can choose. Okay, checklist and get started. After that, you will get the code that has been sent to your email, and you must shoot what your social influencer, content reviews, or the others. Select the option that the best describe you. Okay, continue. And which method do you use to promote? Choose on that. Apply. You can add website, add social media, add mobile phone, or others. In this video, we will create YouTube. And you can choose other platform like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and others. Okay, successfully create and continue, and tell us about yourself, individual or company. Your account display name, your country, your mailing address, and your create local site. And after that, you will directly to the dashboard of Shopify affiliate marketing, and you will get email if your application has been approved. Okay, thank you.